this on mute. So let me do this again. So anyways, here is the disclaimer. This was on mute. I just realized that. Okay. So here's the disclaimer. Disclaimer is any common statement or any verbiage stated in this recorded webinar should not be should never be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as a recommendation or advice to take specific trades. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, to basically illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive system. I must emphasize that I am not a licensed trading advisor, and once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. I had shown here basically what no major news release, economic news release, so we should be clear unless there should be any tweets. But in terms of economic report releases, there's none. So like I said, I was going over this. Basically, our trend is up, but our momentum right now is down. So we'll see what happens if this momentum downward is going to continue down here, at least retest the low here, or will this be a reversal? We shall see. Again, as you can see, overall trend is up, but right now the momentum is down. And I missed a trade there, but that's okay. There will be other opportunities with DTA's Congressive system. So that's the naked chart. This is the Congressive system chart. There's a perfect, basically there was a perfect setup right there. Right here would be more perfect right there. You got your 2 points, but most likely this is gonna go down here. Okay. So I'll put this on mute. My goal is to make $300 at least, since I'm trading 3 contracts, and this webinar should at least last for at least 1 hour, if not less, unless I can reach my daily profit goal. The most will be an hour and a half. Okay, I'll put this mute and I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, it seems like my price here kind of froze. Oh, there, finally got it back. Okay. So that trade I made 112.50 gross. So I've already made my daily profit goal. I'm just gonna see where this trade is gonna take me. Again, this looks like it's going up. I just want to make sure. So I just want to manage my trade right now. So there's my stop. My risk is only around 97, maybe 2 or 3 ticks. Right? 1, 2, 3, 3 ticks. The market's moving pretty slow, so we'll see how this, if we can just get up to here, I'll be happy. So that target, that field, like I said, I was anticipating to get up here, but I'm not that greedy. I just wanted to get my daily profit goal, which I have now. And here's the thing: keeping 512.50, 2 trades of 11.34 times 2 equals that, minus 512.50, 489. Good enough for me. So with that, like I said, I'm looking at this to go up to approximately around here. So watch that. For those who are still trading, that's where I expect the money to get, market to go up. And like I said, a minor correction. The overall trend is up, so therefore look for buy trades, which I did. And I also sold some with minimum, basically scalping the sell. So tomorrow I have my conference, or my webinar with my DTA students, and that should be my first one since I haven't had one in 2 weeks because I've been traveling. So I will have my webinar with my DTA students first, and hopefully I'll get to record another live trade for tomorrow. We'll see. It depends on how the market is moving. Okay. So with that said, I am ending today. Have a great day in the US. It's an afternoon there. And in the Philippines, good evening. Take care. God bless.